Jai Gurudev. My name is Satyam. I have been doing Seva in Art of Living International Bangalore Ashram since 11 months. These 11 months have made my life wonderful in every situations of my life. Group sadhana in beautiful Visalakshi Mandap, weekly Rudra Puja, Vedic chantings by Gurukul boys and learning Bhagavad Gita have uplifted my consciousness. Opportunity to do Seva and connect with different people from different parts of the world have broadened my vision. And best thing in ashram is Guruji. Most of the time in these 11 months, I have heard knowledge directly from Guruji in satsangs and said good night to him, taken his blessings and celebrated with him. The whole nature of ashram have given me best of everything. I am grateful to Guruji. So it's my turn to give back to the whole society and whole ashram and the whole world. So while meditating, I came up with this notion that I want to build a billion-dollar company so that I can give back to the ashram. So I started forming a team consisting of different members around the whole world of Art of Living members. Everything in this world is based on communication. Communication is an important part of life. We communicate to achieve better things. So We Connect helps you to connect better to each and every objects and people socially. So we manufacture social buttons and physical wearable bands which helps you to connect to a surrounding and fascinating. Just imagine if you have gone into some conferences and you want to connect right people. So We Connect is the best thing to connect you to the right people based on the social data. In this age of 21st century, our whole world is based on social media data and information technology. So We Connect mix these two technology, the social media data and information technology, to make your life better. We Connect is the best product in the intersection of these two sectors. We Connect helps you to achieve better social interaction between humans and objects. Just imagine if you go into a retail shop and you want to see a better product, just We Connect will help you to give better customer feedback. To really like a product, you just swipe your band over the social buttons in the product phase. We Connect will not only help users to get the best product, but also it helps to increase social media branding of big companies and brands. And it will also help to get much more data about social media and the feedbacks about the product. We Connect is the best product in music festivals. Just imagine everyone in music festivals have this band, and we have LED stripe in this We Connect band. We Connect helps you to like in real time a band which is playing in the stage without even taking out your phone and clicking and just liking the band in the social media. Connect is a one-stop solution to like a band with your friends and also tag yourself in the band page. So you can just imagine the powerful use of this social media and information technology. We Connect is based on technology of IoT, Internet of Things, and which is a $1 trillion market by 2022. I want your help to develop this idea into great product. I have been selected by an international Bolt Accelerator in Spain, which has chosen my idea out of many ideas in the world to develop this idea into great product. So I want your contribution in terms of money and also interested team members who can develop this or who wants to join this movement. So I want to create a place where all Art of Living members with their talents in technology can come together and can build an innovative product. So my dream is to generate enough revenues. Connect will also contribute estimated portion of the revenue to Art of Living projects. So my dream is to contribute our talents and our revenue to the welfare of the society. The beauty of ashram and blessings of Guruji have inspired me to create a great product, and I am really grateful for Guruji and Art of Living, which has made this possible to think an innovative idea to change the world. So if you want to join this and change the world, please contribute and make this happen. Your small contribution can make a great difference to the society. With your help, we can build a place where all Art of Living people can work together and can practice spiritual practice and can build a super innovative product. We can prove that spirituality also can be the great factor for the productivity of a company. It's like Google plus spirituality technology. If you want to work in this culture and develop this culture, please join me. All the details of the accelerators which have chosen me and my ideas are given below. We have a lot of potential in increasing the social media awareness of brands and also helping each individuals to connect right person and right people. Thank you. Jai Guru.
That's it.
have a lovely ma like Yasodama, $1 billion company. Okay. I'll just speak tomorrow, I'll make it fine, okay? Jai Gurudev, this is Satyam. Jai Gurudev, this is Satyam. 11 months have been wonderful in my life. These are the greatest moments I can never forget in my life. Just do it. That is, let's see. Have applied yoga. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, I am not finding one. Okay.